Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use the Find on Page feature in the Avast web browser in 2026. So let's assume, for example, you're on a specific page with a lot of text and you're looking for a specific word. So you can find the given word or expression without copying the text to a Word document, for example, right? So let me show you how it's done. Navigate to the page. Let us go with, I don't know, that Google start page here. Let me look for this example word here, terms, right? So to do that, click into these three dots here in the Avast browser, then navigate to find and edit here and use this option here, find, right? You may also use the shortcut Control F or Command F if you're using a Mac. And here type in the word, which one will it? Terms. And as you can see, the word has been highlighted. So what if the given term or expression word appears more than once on a given page? Well, in this case, you will see the number of the overall count here, and you may navigate through the given entries if it's more than one to get redirected to it on the page. If it's a longer page, you need to browse through it or scroll through it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.